And you talk about Joksimovic being so good, the number 6 for Slovenia, that he's already got 6 games under his belt with the senior national team. And there is Zishe. Oh, there's a bit of a bump. Stella gets it to Batelli. Batelli down low. Gets the first one out of the way for Italy. Wide open. Chop decides to come in. He gives it to the other corner. 3-point shot is good for Bojovic. Slovenia using the full court, passing around and getting another 3-pointer. Such an emotional ride yesterday for Italy, and Akunzo lays it up and in. And they won it in spectacular fashion. The great 3-pointer from the corner. Nice move down low and 3 assists, 2 steals. Batelli gets swatted. And that leads to a break. And the layup for Slovenia. Start by the Slovenians. Šipele getting that block. Passing it up to Chop. Spada in the game, number 27 for Italy. There's Di Maio, the hero last night. Little runner in the lane. And the putback not there, but Slovenia get it back. Zishe with the bounce pass. And Akunzo with the foul. What a finish. Open 3, Barra. Oh, nice back door, and the jam from Joksimovic. Di Maio scoring there. Joksimovic dunking it home. Yang steps back for 3. That's good. Wow. Oh, dangerous pass. Zishe. Maio's checked into the game, number 16. Here's Di Maio. That was short. Follows the miss and gets the bucket. Oh, great finish from Karisic. Stepanovic gets it over to Šipele now. Bit of a hesitation. Šipele puts it up. Abreu. It was pretty quiet yesterday. He's played well in his minutes today. Joksimovic for 3. Short and another long rebound. And a chance for 3-point play, and so difficult to make any inroads if you can't get a defensive rebound. This time Yang loses his footing, and again Slovenia break and get an easy one. Joksimovic. Akunzo. The best thing you can say about Italy right now is that they've still got anything is possible. Good tough drive and take by Batelli. Akunzo, good footwork. Goes to the left hand. And crucially, Italy able to rebound it. And Belinasso lays it up and in. Nice play for number 15. So back to live action after the timeout. And Joksimovic does come back in, and he feeds the ball down low for the easy bucket. Livingston took it away, but here's Belinasso. Oh, boy, Belinasso has to come away with points there. It leads to the break the other way. It's a 4-point swing and all the momentum. DeMeo from the right corner. Can something go in for Italy? Finally, a 3 for DeMeo. Joksimovic going in. Now a chance to go quickly for Italy. Oh, Nyang. Runway. Jam it. And that's exactly what they need. They need Nyang to energize this crowd and this team. And that was solid. Slovenia came out for the fourth quarter yesterday. It's imperative. Boy. They're just giving away shots right at the rim like that. What a finish. Bojovic. And the three-pointer for Randy Livingston Jr. Nyang trying to make something happen. Does. Scores for the turnaround. The sense of urgency. There's Nyang from deep. He's got it. Look out. And they won the quarterfinals. They qualified for the Under-19 Basketball World Cup now. They're starting to believe. Nyang again. He's not shy. He's got another one. Don't forget me, he says. I'm the MVP candidate for this team. What a turnaround. Good job, Listella, with the rebound. Šipele trying to guard Listella. Great defense by the Slovenian. On the break. Oh, boy, that is crucial. Huge turn. Huge swing. I like maybe Listella trying to. Here he is. That's much better. He's closer to the basket. At least he's closer to the basket there. Oh, Šipele drives in. Bojovic drives in again. They're just so smooth. Here's Kadišek, gets it to the corner. Look at that. I mean, the ball handling. That is just beautiful basketball by Slovenia. Slovenia. Once again, slick moves. Stepanovic drives in. DeMeo steps in for a 2. They're in a rush to get something going. And finally, Batelli again. But they pull it out on Yang. Oh. Can they get a stop again? Stepanovic gets in. Oh, what a soft touch he's got. Italy looking to make another run to give themselves a chance. And they don't get the rebound, and they get punished by. And another easy one. Good rim protection. Look at that. Even saving it in bounds to a teammate. Just can't see Slovenia opening the door for a comeback. That's better from Yang. Bojovic from deep. My goodness. Double. They're already one of the best teams. We'll see how it. And DeMeo, that's the corner where he hit the 3 last night to beat France. France probably thinking, why didn't you miss that one last night? Stepanovic weaving his way in, missing. There's the putback. Are they going to count it? They're not going to get to 100. They did have 50 points in the first half. I think Yang is. I always like watching Goran Jagodnik. There's Rasho Nesterovic. We count that one. It's always been a It's always been a country that's had great basketball players. France. Batelli just blocked. And that was short. Long rebound. And they just have that sixth sense when it comes to getting those offensive rebounds. Good job. Looks like they're going for the ball. There's a turnover, a chance for Italians. Bada from the corner. And the local boy makes it. So it has been a convincing display by the Slovenians. And that's even after good play by Kadishik. Here comes the dunk. Nope. Bada's going to go old school, lay it up and in. Just a powerful display by Slovenia as they make history. The first Slovenian team to win the FIBA Under-18 EuroBasket. A tremendous overall performance, and quite rightly, they are celebrating big time.